Hello everybody, my name is Alicia and today we're going to be talking about IPL laser treatment anti-aging video. You better turn up. That was a weird intro. We're going to be adding on to the anti-aging procedures / facials, and I'm going to be talking about another treatment I got called IPL laser therapy. IPL stands for intense pulse light. It's similar to a laser, and so the way that it works is that instead of a single light, which is what a laser is, IPL is a light that goes through filters that take out all wavelengths of light except for those that are going to be taken in by the pigment in your skin and the blood vessels under your skin. The wavelengths penetrate just below the skin so that it is going to damage the melanin, the pigment in your skin, or the blood vessels just below the skin. And this really, the main point of IPL is to take away age spots, blood vessels, any real pigmentation issues on your skin. So if you have freckles or age spots or any sort of redness, IPL is meant to fix that. And when I say blood vessels, I mean like really small blood vessels, not like big ones. So just so we're clear. This is something that is not a one-off treatment. Best results are seen after 3 to 6 treatments. I got 3 treatments done and decided now would be a good time to talk about it. I wanted to wait until I had all 3 treatments done to do this video versus my derma rolling and PRP video, which if you've watched, go check that out. The derma rolling and PRP procedure had a lot more downtime and it felt like much more of a treatment than IPL. When I first got my first treatment done for IPL, I kind of was not thinking it did anything. So to give you like a little idea of what happens when you get IPL done, you go into a treatment center, they take off all makeup, or you know, if you're like me, you just don't go with anything on your skin. They put a cream on and then give you these little goggles that cover your eyes, and you keep your eyes closed so you can't see anything because the light is insanely bright and will damage your eyes. And then the doctor will put the device onto your skin. You'll hear a little beep, and then you see kind of, even if your eyes are closed, you see this flash of light and you feel the light. This was definitely not the most pleasant of experiences. They can't numb you like they can with the derma rolling that I got done or microblading, because they need to be able to see your tolerance level to make sure that they're not going too high up with the light. They don't want to make it too strong and then you end up, you know, having more issues than not. You have to be able to feel what it feels like and be able to say basically on a scale of 1 to 10 where you're at pain-wise when it happens. So most people describe this pain as feeling like a rubber band is being snapped on your face. And I think that's a pretty accurate description, but it's not just a one-off thing. The whole procedure itself takes maybe 10 minutes, probably not even that long, but think about getting a rubber band repeatedly snapped across your face for a full 10 minutes. It's not really the best feeling ever. I had Paul come with me on my last treatment, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the process, what to expect, and you could definitely see me flinch on a couple of those light pulses. Check it out.
Balls?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10?
5?
Okay, that's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
involuntary response right there.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 doors down.
Yes. At least it's quick. I was thinking about it.
It's gonna be a time lapse of you smiling slowly into a frown.
I. Is there a reason you don't do numbing?
Yes,
What is that?
because you can't tell me pain level
Got it. So you could do it too much and it could.
burn you.
You don't want to walk out with your face falling off.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Better doesn't mean better.
Got it. That makes sense because I was curious the first time I came in why that was, but
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Because some people's pain tolerance are,
Higher.
than others.
And
So
numbing it.
Yeah, we use a two-tier. So if your face is like turning beet red,
It's too much.
it's gonna be too much.
Got it.
And if you're saying, "Oh no, it's good," I don't feel anything.
Ah!
Ready? Here goes. Okay.
This is the best part, Paul.
Yeah.
Yes. It's like ice cold air.
Feeling good?
Awesome. And then this is
Sunscreen.
sunscreen, so I thought.
I'll have to walk out here.
Makes sense.
There you go.
Perfect. Woo. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So overall, I definitely am really happy with the results that I got with this. They had a deal for 3 treatments for $250. So that's what I did because normally I believe the treatments are about $400 a piece. I got my last treatment done about a week ago, a little bit over a week ago, and just yesterday was the first time in I can't even tell you how long that I'm looking at my skin and I had no makeup on. I'm looking at my skin and I was like, oh my God. The only problem I have right now, there's no breakouts right now, which is amazing, and there's no redness, there's no marks. It just looks so clear. And the only real problem I have right now are circles underneath my eyes. And they're not anything crazy, but it's literally the only thing on my face that I'm like, okay, this can improve, which is awesome. I was hoping that IPL would help. I have this little mark right here. You actually can kind of see it. I can't seem to make it go away. It's this like little, it almost looks like a bruise on my cheek. It's really frustrating, but I was hoping IPL would help with that, but it didn't seem to, so I wonder if that's something that would help with more treatments. I'm also wondering, I know that they can do IPL that is specifically sectioned for one area of your face that actually needs it, instead of doing like an all over thing like what I got done, but there's just this one area right here that it always looks like I can't blend my foundation or my bronzer, but it's just this dark patch on my face. So I'm going to actually be going to a local med spa and getting an entire, they're gonna do this thing where they take pictures of your face with different lighting and different like infrared lighting and stuff, and it actually will tell you what damage your skin has, sun damage, all sorts of stuff, and what layer of the skin it's on, if it's deeper, if it's more topical, and how you can treat it. And it tells you like what your skin age and stuff is, which I'm so excited. I'm really hoping it's younger than I am. I would hope so. I mean, how old do I look to you guys? Maybe I shouldn't ask that question. Overall, I think that IPL laser therapy is something that I would get if I was someone who went in the sun a lot, or if I was someone that had maybe light rosacea. I could see it helping with rosacea. I'm really happy that I got it done because it did help with my skin, but I don't think that my skin had the specific problems that IPL is for. I feel like it's something that is better suited for people that are maybe in their 40s and 50s, maybe late 30s, just to help, you know, or if you go out in the sun a lot, you have freckles, that's something you could definitely take down if you wanted to take down your freckles. but it's definitely something that can't be a one-off. If you're planning to just get one treatment done, it's not gonna really do anything. You definitely need multiple treatments to really see the results here. You have to kind of consider if that's something that you want to pay for. So I recommend with everything is checking out, you know, any local deals, asking the med spa that you're going to if they have any deals with IPL or anything that you're getting. A lot of the times they do really great deals. A lot of different places do. And see if it's something for you. I mean, I'm glad I got it, but I don't think I would get it again anytime soon. So that's where I'm at on that. Let me know your thoughts if it's something that you've gotten done. If there's anything else that you're curious about as far as like facials, treatment stuff go, because I am an open book. I like doing these videos. I like getting these things done and really learning about this stuff because it's all very new to me. I love you all so, so much. Mwah! Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, if you want to join the fam bam, and I'll see you next time.